Both of my birds are suffering because of what this woman is doing. They're both pulling at their feathers, and this is because this woman has not stopped sending dust into my home. I'm trying to clean it up, but she's deliberately continuing to send it in to humiliate and degrade me so that I have to clean it up in front of everybody that's watching into my home. Look at my birds. This is them constantly because of what she's doing. Please, somebody help me. Please, somebody help me stop this woman's abuse. She is mentally disturbed, and all she does is stalk me and abuse me. She's so obsessed with it. And she's cruel. She's watching into my home. She's watching me clean up. She's watching these birds pull at their feathers like this. And she probably thinks it's funny because that's how deranged she is. Look at them. St. George Community Housing, you are enabling cruelty to animals, and you need to tell this woman to turn this dust off immediately and leave it off. My lungs are filling up with it. My throat is just all blocked up with dust. Tell her to leave me alone.